Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to BZ Quick English. Before I say anything else, let me ask you one simple question. How many times have you started learning English and then stopped? How many times did you feel motivated for one day and helpless the next? Today I promise you one thing. If you stay with me till the end of this video, your thinking about English will change forever. This is not just a channel, this is a journey from fear to confidence, from silence to powerful speaking. Visit Quick English is created for one powerful reason: to make English simple, fast, and practical. No long, boring grammar rules, no confusion, no pressure, only real English. The English you need in daily life, the English that builds confidence. Here you will learn how to speak naturally, how to think in English, how to express yourself without fear. We believe you don't need talent, you need direction, you need consistency, you need the right method, and this channel is that method. Most people fail in English not because they are weak. They fail because they feel shy. They are afraid of mistakes. They think English is difficult. Let me tell you a truth. Mistakes are not your enemies. Mistakes are your teachers. If you never make mistakes, you will never grow. English is not a subject. English is a skill. And skill grows with practice, not with fear. From today, change one thing in your life. Stop saying, I can't speak English. Start saying, I'm learning English. One sentence can change your identity. Confidence doesn't come from perfection. Confidence comes from actions. Speak broken English. Speak simple English. But speak, because silence never creates success. In Visit Quick English, you will get two types of videos. Number one, short videos, which is about 15 to 30 seconds, where you will learn 5 powerful sentences, daily English boost, fast learning. Number second, long videos, which is about 5 to 15 minutes, where you will learn deep explanation, practice methods, confidence building, real life English. Short videos build speed and long videos build strength. Together they make you powerful. Now I want a promise from you, not to me, to yourself. Promise that you will watch daily, you will repeat loudly, you will practice, you will never quit. Success in English doesn't need intelligence. It needs discipline. 5 minutes daily is better than 5 hours once a month. Small steps every day, that is the secret. One day you will speak English confidently. One day people will respect your words. One day you will feel proud of yourself, and that day will come because you will decide today. Remember, your background doesn't decide your future. Your decision does. You're not weak, you're only untrained. And training starts now. This is not just my channel. This is our mission: to build confidence, to break fear, to create strong speakers. If you're serious about your future, if you want power in your voice, if you want respect in your communication, then stay with BZ Quick English. Subscribe, practice, and transform, because you are not late, you are just starting. Thank you very much, and Assalamu alaikum.